Pull test machine calibration follow chart. Calibration daily 6.8 kg weight and acceptance tolerance plus minus 5%. Make report. When fail, machine supplier must be replaced or repair. When pass, collect garments every 4 hours and test it 90 Newton, minimum 10 second stand. When fail, last 4 hour garments separate and machine repair. When pass, keep record with make, data, date, time, machine number, order, color, result and signature. Storage it logbox minimum 6 months. Now showing full follow chart.